Once again, welcome all of you in this class of 12. Today, I am going to discuss about electric potential and electric potential difference. Okay? This is the second part of your first chapter, electrostatics. In this chapter, we have to learn electric potential, potential difference, equipotential surfaces, different types of formulae of potential difference or electric potential, capacitance, different type of capacitors, energy stored in capacitor, etc. Okay? First topic is here, electric potential difference. First of all, question is arised, what is electric potential? Okay? The amount of work done during bringing the unit positive charge from infinity to any point of the electric field is called electric potential. That means electric potential is equal to electric potential is equal to work done upon charge. Okay? Commonly, electric potential is denoted by V, work is denoted by W, and charge is denoted by Q. Okay? Therefore, V is equal to W upon Q. Okay? Here, V is electric potential, W is work done, Q is charge. The SI unit of electric potential is volt or joule per coulomb. Okay? Now I am going to discuss about electric potential difference. Commonly it is known as potential difference and denoted by PD. Okay? Here, electric potential is also, or electric potential difference is also a type of electric potential. It is a small part of the electric potential. During electric potential, unit positive charge is bringing from infinity to any point of the electric field. But here, unit positive charge is bringing one point of the electric field to the other point of the electric field against the electrostatic force. Look here on the board. It is a point O. At that point, plus Q charge is located. And hence electric field E is produced. A and B are any 2 points. At point B, test charge Q naught is situated. Okay? If W joule work is done during bringing test charge Q naught from B to A, then from the definition of potential difference, at point A, potential difference is denoted by VA, while at point B, potential difference is denoted by VB. Okay? Here, potential difference is equal to work upon test charge. Okay? Test charge is a special type of charge which is mainly used for experimental purposes. Oh, okay? Here at point A, potential is VA, at point B, potential is VB. Therefore, potential difference is VA minus VB is equal to W upon Q naught. If VA minus VB will be equal to V, then V is equal to W upon Q naught. This is the same expression of electric potential. So, the unit of electric potential difference is also volt or joule per coulomb. Okay? Now, what is the dimension of potential difference or electric potential? Dimension of PD. Okay? Here PD represents potential difference. We all are known that V is equal to W upon Q naught. Here V is equal to PD, potential difference. W is equal to work done, or Q is equal to charge. That implies V, this is the square brackets, is equal to, what is the dimension of work? ML2T minus 2, and the dimension of charge is AT. That implies V. Dimension of potential difference is ML2T minus 3 A minus 1. Okay? This is the dimension of potential difference.